west. Will this make sense? Hold on. I feel like we need to... Yeah, this will make sense. Just trust me. So this needs to be the opposite direction that we went to. Because we need to reconstruct the path once we're done here. Okay, so we have a new node that we have found a cheaper path to. That node needs to be put back into the fringe to be explored again. Wait, is that A star? So let's walk through this, right? Started a route and we put it into the list of nodes to explore. We take the node off. We take the node with the lowest potential cost to get to where we're going off the node, off the fringe. And then for each of its neighbors, we see if we have found a cheaper way to that node via the one we're exploring now. And if we have, we put it back into the queue to be re-explored. So eventually this will expand the fringe until we've been everywhere. However, with the priority from here, we're going to focus down the right direction. Okay. And if the min node the position of the min node is equal to the target, which we need to pass in, then we have found the treasure, and we need to construct the path. Hey /life, welcome in. Ew, Python, I know. Also, that's an amazing emote. We're getting a lot of power from this exercise. All right, so we are now here. Maybe we just use a different function here. And I don't think we need arguments here. We are from... Start point is the current. It's our current position, basically. End point is wherever the treasure is, right? We can pass that in. It's cleaner. So what I noticed here was I was starting to make a comment to explain what something is meant to do, and that's kind of my mental trigger for I probably should extract the function, because the function name is the same as the comment itself. So this is going to return a path, which is a list of directions. Let's have this be directions. And we need to construct this in reverse from the target. And then reverse the list. Do we have a reverse function? Random range. No, but we might be able to iterate it using negative numbers. Okay, that's a problem for future Emily to solve. Screw that girl. Okay, so I guess while target is not the starting position, then we need to get the node, and I need to not typo that. So we get the node where we are currently, or at the end. And then to the directions, we need to append the opposite direction of the nodes came from. Actually, maybe we don't need to use the... Yeah, we don't need to use the opposite. Because that's just a no-op negating it twice. We're not Santa Claus. We're not making a list and checking it twice. I think this actually does it. We construct reverse path. And then we just follow path. Is there a... Is there a recursive thing that does this cleanly? I think there is. I think we can... Oh, why do I have to be fancy? Okay, fine. I got this, chat. What do we call this? Follow... path? And we have a target. And if the current position is equal to target, we're there. There's nothing left to do. Else, are we there yet? So, now it actually makes sense for this to be opposite direction. Yeah. Doesn't actually matter. Now that I think about it. Is our field a toroid? These are pumpkins. Yeah, they're pumpkins. So we will get the came from direction. Actually, we need to get the node first. We need to get both of these. This is the direction to move. Do we have a toroidal field? The field is square. What are you? Are you okay? Should we call someone? Are you having a stroke? I don't get it. Yeesh. Okay. This is the direction we need to move. And then we need to get the previous node by looking at the layout, get node, and then get pause in direction. What did I call this thing again? Get pause in there. Okay. Of the opposite direction of there to move. Okay, can I not have a bunch of stuff everywhere? Yeah, and then did I move you on top? No, I didn't. And then we follow off with the previous node. And then we move in the direction to move. This should avoid the need of the list reversal.
Hello, Commander Emily.
Hey, Shug. Welcome in. How are you doing? We're back here farming like absolute gods. Look at our drone being super efficient, repairing the field. So yeah, I think this should just follow the path. So, in theory, we don't need this exploration stuff in here anymore. Although I will take the logic. And we will slap it down here. So let's just say we clear. We start a new maze. We explore it to map it out. And then we'll do a bunch of runs. And then we are the last one is a harvest. Stop doing the weird moving my cursor thing. Oh my god. This is always a restart here. And this needs to be maze size. Oh my god, I think we might have something, chat. Okay, taking bets. How many of you think I could correctly implement A star and all of this code on the first try? I'm not counting syntax errors, okay? I'm counting, like, after I fix the syntax errors, will it actually work? Okay, we're tired. Me too. Where? Start maze. Explore maze. Oh, I just stopped one previously. Okay, there we go. Explore maze takes 1 argument. Yep, that's fair. Okay, we know this works. We're doing the experimentation just to figure out what we're dealing with. Node priority takes 2 arguments. It sure does. And I have never used it with 2. So we'll just add that little target on there. And now we get to watch that all again. If syntax errors did count 0% chance without that 10. Oh, come on, have some faith. Really? Oh, how did I... Why is that there? That's a syntax error, chat. That's a syntax error. I'm not counting that one. The biggest part of understanding Torres is the appreciation of donuts. I'd love me some donuts. Manhattan has never been defined. Take that, New Yorkers. What did I call it? Manhattan distance? Alright. Fair. One after then, we're clearing the syntax errors. And surely there won't be a problem after that. New cost. Would I like a mod to use Emacs? Yeah. I didn't call you Shirley. Did I? I looked away. What the heck just happened? Oh, that... What is this weird searching? Please search in this file. Start maze. Why is there a harvest here? Well, that shouldn't matter. And then it's this guy. Okay, so that, I guess, terminated the maze early. Should not have done that. My drone touched grass. That's more grass than I've touched. Okay, now we're here, and can we have the code highlighting back, please? Have some breakpoints. I want to know if we're adding stuff to the fringe. And whenever we pop something off. You went outside to bring in the bins, but your neighbor had brought the bins, so you went back inside. Absolute win. Okay. Oh, are we in the bug where it doesn't show us what line we're on anymore because I toggled this? Okay, I'm just gonna restart the game real quick. Oh, right. I have that funny thing. It cleared my breakpoints? Oh, come on, dude. Should we have a smaller maze for starters? Yes, probably. Okay, so let's have a look at the fringe. There should be exactly one element here. Position 0, 0. That's correct. Okay, so now we have a next node, which should be 1, 0. Plus 1, that's correct. And that's what should be in the fringe. Yeah. So we're clearly taking nodes off the fringe. So as we reach branches, we should start seeing more than one node in here. Question mark. Okay, so we should have clearly seen more than one node in the fringe by now. No. That looks to be right. Why? Okay, what is our current node? Where are we at? 11.0? How? How have we gotten here? That makes no sense. Take a few more steps. And now you're here. That is very weird. I want to see what happens when we are on this node. And I need to stop our current execution here. Oh, can I just like end and stop execution? Nej, nej, stop it you. Control C. Surely there's not a key you use for something. Control Q. There we go. There we go. Thank you.